Your Danby dehumidifier not collecting water is often due to simple issues. We'll quickly cover the most common culprits to get you back up and running. Common causes include a full water tank, incorrect humidity settings, a clogged filter, frozen coils, improper placement, or a malfunctioning humidistat. For example, a clogged filter can prevent proper drainage, while frozen coils block moisture collection. These simple issues are the most common reasons your dehumidifier isn't collecting water. Check each one systematically to identify and fix the problem. First, ensure the water tank isn't full or misaligned. Many dehumidifiers have an auto shutoff when the tank is full. Also, verify your humidity setting. If it's set lower than the current room humidity, the dehumidifier won't activate. Set it to a higher level, like 60% initially, to test if it starts collecting water. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, reducing the dehumidifier's efficiency and water collection. Locate the air filter, usually in the back or side of the dehumidifier. Clean it with a vacuum or wash with mild soap and water. Ensure the filter is completely dry before replacing it. If the filter is damaged, replace it altogether. Frozen coils can prevent the dehumidifier from working. This is often caused by low temperatures or poor airflow. To fix this, unplug the unit and allow it to thaw completely, which usually takes about 24 hours. Improve airflow by cleaning the filter and ensuring the room temperature stays above 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. Proper placement is crucial for your Danby dehumidifier's performance. Dehumidifiers work best in enclosed spaces where doors and windows can be closed to maintain consistent humidity levels. Make sure your Danby dehumidifier is placed in a room where doors and windows can be closed. This creates the enclosed environment needed for effective moisture removal. Avoid placing it near obstructions like furniture or curtains that could block airflow. Clear space around the unit ensures proper air circulation. Ensure it's on a level surface to prevent vibration and ensure optimal drainage of collected water. If you're using a continuous drain hose, check that it's properly connected, not kinked, and that the drain point is lower than the dehumidifier. A blockage or improper setup here will prevent water collection in the tank. The humidistat is a sensor that detects the humidity level in the air. It controls when the dehumidifier turns on or off to maintain the desired moisture level. If the humidistat is faulty, the dehumidifier may not run properly, even when humidity is high. Here are some control panels where you can see humidity settings. To test the humidistat, manually adjust the humidity setting to different levels, such as from 45% to lower percentages, and observe if the dehumidifier responds accordingly. If adjusting the settings produces no change in the dehumidifier's operation, the humidistat may be faulty and require replacement. This repair typically needs to be done by a professional technician. If you've tried all the previous troubleshooting steps and your Danby dehumidifier still isn't collecting water, there could be an internal issue, like a refrigerant leak or compressor problem. Contact a qualified appliance repair technician for diagnosis and repair. Attempting to fix these issues yourself can be dangerous and void your warranty.